Today we talk about how can you select repeat time on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take us to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on configuration. When you just click on it here, you can to next zip here. Then all you have to do, then you just click here on repeat settings. Just click on it here. You come to next zip here. Then you click here in this sign. So then here can you select repeat time here. So in this list, so that's all you have to do. I wish you know you accurate. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.